Are you trying to find your old 401k account but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people have lost track of their 401k accounts over the years, either through job changes or simply forgetting where they put them. In this video, I will guide you through the process of finding your old 401k account. Start by contacting your former employer's human resource department. They are likely to have information about the retirement plan that was offered while you were employed there. They can provide you with details about the plan administrator or the company managing the 401k accounts. If you have old paper statements or digital records from your previous 401k account, these can be valuable resources. Look for any statements that include the name of the retirement plan, the plan administrator, and contact information. These statements might have been mailed to you or could be available through your online account if you had one. Use search engines to look for the name of your former employer, along with keywords like 401k plan or retirement account. This might lead you to the current contact information for the plan administrator. If your former employer has gone through mergers or acquisitions, make sure to search using their current company name as well. The National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits is a service designed to help individuals locate forgotten or lost retirement accounts. Visit their website and provide the required information to initiate a search. They will try to match your details with unclaimed accounts. The Employee Benefits Security Administration, a branch of the United States Department of Labor, offers assistance in finding old retirement plans. You can contact them via their toll-free number or use their online search tool. They have a database of abandoned retirement plans and can guide you through the process. Once you have information about the plan administrator or the company managing the 401k account, reach out to them directly. They will be able to provide you with details about your account, such as your account balance, investment options, and the process to reclaim your funds. Check with your state's unclaimed property office. Some states maintain databases for unclaimed property, including unclaimed retirement accounts. Provide your details, and they will search their records to see if your old 401k account is listed. There are online services that specialize in helping individuals find lost retirement accounts. Missingmoney.com is one such service that searches multiple databases for you. These services can save you time by aggregating information from various sources. If you're facing challenges locating your old 401k, consider seeking assistance from a financial advisor. They have experience in dealing with retirement accounts and might have insights or resources to help you track down your funds. Throughout the process, ensure that you're providing accurate and secure personal information. Be patient, as it might take some time to track down your old 401k account. Remember that the steps and options available might differ based on the country you're in and the specific rules governing retirement accounts there.